Hey family, thank you so much for checking out this video. Today I will be telling you all about why I started the Mediterranean diet, and you should too. There's no crazy calorie counting and you don't have to starve yourself. This diet was even named the best diet overall and the easiest to follow in 2018, and it improves your overall health. So check out the top 5 reasons I chose this diet, and you should too. So guys, these are the top 5 reasons why I chose this diet. Number 5, this diet has an emphasis on vegetables and fruits, which are important sources of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which all promote good health and weight loss. So check out all these foods that you can eat on this diet. Number 4, most of your cooking is going to be done with olive oil. So you gotta stay away from the vegetable and canola oils. No frying, but it's okay because olive oil is absolutely delicious. But most importantly, it is high in health promoting fats. So check out the rest of these oils that you can cook with. Number 3, you can have red meat and dairy. So you can have eggs, but make sure you skip out on the 2-pound ribeye. Number 2, there are no drastic exclusions on this diet. Very little restriction. You can eat from all of the 5 food groups: fruits, veggies, grain, dairy, and meat. You can even have shellfish, all types of seafood, king crab legs. Just make sure you go easy on the red meat and the dairy. So check out all of these foods that you can eat. Number 1, you can have 1 glass of red wine per day. 1 glass for women and 2 glasses for men. However, stay away from the hard liquor. It's got too much sugar and y'all gonna mess up y'all diet. But that is my number 1 reason why I chose the Mediterranean diet. So those are my top 5 reasons for choosing the Mediterranean diet. I really do believe it is a tastier and less restrictive option as compared to the keto or the paleo diet. However, there are a couple of caveats. You need to stay away from added sugar, so candy, ice cream, sugary drinks, soda. You're gonna wanna stay away from all of that. You can have freshly squeezed fruit juice and plenty of water. I wouldn't want you to be reversing all of your hard work, drinking down sugar. Also, stay away from highly processed foods. So anything that says low fat or diet, you're gonna wanna stay away from that. Stick with the fresh vegetables and the fresh fruits. No processed meat, so skip out on the sausages or deli meats. And then lastly, the white rice and the pasta, try to stay away from that. They do have brown rice now and whole wheat pasta. It tastes a little different, but once you get your seasonings on there, it's all good. So overall, I think this is an excellent diet. I will be posting recipes below this video so you can have some nice dinner options and stick to your diet. So good luck, and I will see you next time. Peace.